welcome back to my channel. And today's video we're going to be doing unboxing. This is the September unboxing for Boxycharm. Oh, I cannot believe we're doing September's already. One more month and Nana is going to be here. So in October's Boxycharm, the baby will be here. I'm just like, oh my gosh. Okay, so you guys know that if I don't have my makeup on already, I will do a try on of what's in the Boxycharm box. But if I have my makeup on, then I just unbox it. But I don't have makeup on, so we get to do our makeup together and test out the goodies. So let's see what's in this box. I haven't looked at any spoilers. All I know is one, which is the eyeshadow palette, but that's it. So let's open it. Ooh, I already know I'm going to love it. Look. So this one is the Luscious Cosmetics Angel Eyes Primer. This one goes for $14. Nice. So we can use this as our eyeshadow base when we do our eyeshadow. Next thing in here, which I'm excited about, is the Girlactik. This is a Girlactik Skin Glow Duo. Formulated with crushed pearls, this creamy duo blends beautifully onto your skin, creating a fresh, dewy radiance. Dab onto the highest points of your face to give you the absolute glow. This one goes for $26. That is way cool. Next thing, we have the Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color. This one goes for $19. Ooh, fall vibes. Okay. Then we have these 3 brushes from the Alamar Cosmetics. These go for $18. If you guys know, we got the eyeshadow palette that they came out with. I love that one. I have a tutorial if you guys want to check that out. I'll link it up and down below. Loved it. Pigmentation was amazing. So I'm so excited to play with their brushes. I opened the packaging wrong. I cannot wait. That is so freaking awesome. Okay, and last but not least is the palette. Look how big this palette is. It's not even like little or anything. It's a good size. I like it. This is from Pretty Vulgar. This is the eyeshadow palette. We've gotten the blush from Pretty Vulgar before in our previous Boxycharm, so it's pretty cool to see Pretty Vulgar in here again. And this is the Nightingale. Ooh, this is so much pretty in person. The picture that I seen on the Boxycharm Instagram was not doing it justice. This is so pretty. And this one goes for $35. Ooh, I think the box is freaking awesome. I think we got a really good Boxycharm box. This has been, well, I haven't played the eyeshadow yet, but just unboxing it just to see what we got. So far, so good. So let me zoom in and let's create something. Okay, so everything's swatched. Very beautiful, very buttery, like butter. So I'm excited. Let's go in with the eyeshadow base. So this is a Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow base. This was really pigmented. When I swatched it, I was like, I'm just going to apply a little bit to my eyelid. And a little bit does go a long way, which is freaking awesome. So I'm just going to apply the rest that I have on my finger to my other eyelid. So we're gonna go in with this light vanilla shade right here. And I'm just going to apply that right underneath my brow bone. I'm just tapping it. So we're gonna go with this shade right here using the blending brush. I'm just going to lightly blend that in the crease. I don't want to go too dramatic with this eye either. I just want to give enough, just a little whoosh. We're just going to blend that shade in. Go back and pick up as much as you need. But for now, I'm just going to move this around all over my eye. Okay, going in with this shade right here, Flip Out. We're just going to lightly, see how freaking pigmented that pretty freaking pigmented. And we're just going to add that in our crease, not bringing it too much forward, just halfway of our eye. And we're just going to blend that shade in. Just focus it just right here at the crease. So just pat. And then lightly blend. See how nice that looks? Just really pretty, and it's just blended out. I like how that looks. Okay, now we're gonna go in with this shade right here. Swoop. And we're just gonna add just a little bit to the ends. And then blend that in as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with that eyeshadow base and we're going to cut our crease, and the flat eyeshadow brush that came in the Boxycharm. Pick up a small amount. I'm just gonna add it right there. And then we're just going to slowly start carving the crease. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and we're just going to pack that shade on. Okay, so now we're gonna go back in with flip out and swoop, flip out and swoop, and we're just going to lightly blend that together. See, so just it fades. Oh, so pretty. Just blend, go back in, pick up some color. Then we're gonna pick up Break Free, just to give us a little bing. So I'm gonna go in with the Morphe lashes, and these are in Hypnotic. Okay, so now back to our under eye. I will be using the L'Oreal Infallible Long Wear Eye Pencil. This is in the shade Nude. Going in with this brush right here, we will be picking up this brown. And we're just going to add that right underneath our lash line. Like that. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the Girlactik highlighter. Okay, so going in with the highlighter first, we're gonna pick it up using the Morphe sponge. So we're gonna get it on our sponge right there, and then we're just going to dab that into our skin and then lightly sort of blend it out with our finger. You can go in with your finger, you can go in with the sponge, but I like going in with the sponge. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl 103 brush. I'm going to grab some of the blush and just lightly hit my cheeks with it. Okay, so now for lips, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe lip liner, and this is Heckle. So I'm gonna go in with the Lorac matte lip color. So pretty. And we're just gonna cover our butthole of it. It's like super pigmented. Okay, so here's the color itself. It's pretty, it's really pretty, but I can see where it would be very intimidating to a lot of people. So let's add some ba-boom to this. So I'm gonna go in with my Wonder Matte AOA liquid lipstick. If you guys have not seen my tutorial using makeup that's only $1, definitely check it out. I'll leave it up and down below. But this is one of the lipsticks, liquid lipsticks that's only $1. And this one is in Work It. So what we're going to do is just add a little bit right here to the center. We're gonna go in with the thin brush and just kind of blend that in. I'm just going to lighten the lip a little. You can even use the concealer to lighten up the lip if you don't have if you don't have a lighter liquid lipstick. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharm, if you got something different. And if you want to sign up for your own Boxycharm, I do have my own special link down below. If you use it, I do receive commission, but you do not have to use it. But if you do, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this Boxycharm unboxing / makeup try on. Let me know what was your favorite item in the Boxycharm box. I feel like my top 2 would have to be the palette and the Girlactik highlighter and blush duo. Very pretty. You can never go wrong with the cream highlighter. I hope you guys enjoyed. Te quiero mucho, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.